Hello students, let's we learn our next topic, stem. From our second lesson, plants, structure and function. The stem grows above the soil from the plumule of the sprouting seed. As the sprout grows, the length of the stem gradually increases too. There are nodes on the stem. Leaves come out at the nodes. The part of the stem between two nodes is called an internode. Here students, they have given the structure of the stem, how it actually. They said the stem how it grows above the soil from the plumule part that we have already seen in that before video. As the sprout grows, the length of the stem gradually increases too. When that sprout is length of the stem gradually increases. So like here we have given the picture of the stem. They said there are nodes on the stem. See here, they showed the nodes here on the stem. Leaves come out at the nodes. Leaves come out at the node. Where there is a nodes part, from that parts leaves are come out. The parts of the stem between two nodes is called an internode. The parts between two nodes, that is called internode. The tip or the apical end of the stem is called a bud. The tip of that stem or apical, that is called bud. Observe a branch of any plants and identify its different parts as per the diagram. We have given the diagram related to that. We have to observe the stem. Any stem or any plant stem you can take and observe it. So here we have given the parts of stem, how the nodes, at the place of nodes, that is leaves are growing. They are also showing the buds growing end. There is also a bud. Internodes are there. Only these parts we have to be observed there. See here I have taken one example of the stem. Actually this is in grass. Here we can see these parts what we have given in the picture. There is, we can see the nodes. At the nodes leaves from that parts are grows, and see here also node and here also node is present, and inter part of this, that is called internode. Middle part of these nodes, that is called internode. And here you can see the bud, and the end of the stem, there also we can see the buds like this. Next we have given here chart. Complete the chart that collect the information about other local plants too. Here they have given the name of the plants, what plants you know there or nearby you, that you have to take for this observation. Then you have to write there in second part, there is a thickness or circumference of a node in mm, and then the length of the internode, how much mm, that you have to be write in this column. First you have given the example sugarcane, fenugreek, that is methi, you know that, and other you can take the any other plants related to that, write the information. You have to do this one at home. Next part that we have given, that is leaf. Leaves grow from the nodes on a stem. We have already seen that. Leaves are generally thin, flat and green in color. The broad spread out part of the leaf is called the leaf blade or lamina, and its H is called the leaf margin. Leaf margin may be entire, dentate or lobed. So here we have given the picture of the leaf and the parts of the leaves. Here they showed the leaf base. There is an stipule, green parts or green small leaves are increased from this leaf base, that is called stipule. Then the petiole, this one the leaf blade, green parts we can see, and there is an mid vein is present like this mid vein. There is another vein that is starting from mid vein. Then the leaf margin and the leaf apex at the end like this. They have showed here the leaf structure is there. Here they showed the different parts of leaf: entire, dentate, lobed, like this leaves we can see on the plants. The tip of the leaf is called the leaf apex. Here they showed. It may be tapering, pointed or rounded. Leaves of some plants have a stalk called a petiole. So here they showed some plants have the stalk that is called a petiole. Leaves of some plants do not have a petiole. The portion of the leaf attached to the stem is called the leaf base. Where that to the stem that leaf is attached, that is called leaf base. Small leaf-like structure may be present near the leaf base. These are called stipule. Leaf-like structure is there, green, so that is called stipule. Do you see stipule in all plants? So that answer is no. In all plants that stipules are not present, but in some plants we can see these stipules. Leaves of some plants have a single undivided leaf blade and a single midrib. Such leaves are called simple leaves. If we can see that only midrib is present in the plants and that is undivided, in other veins are not present fully there, that is called the simple leaves. However, the leaf blade of leaves in some plants is divided into many small parts called leaflets. Such leaves are called compound leaves. Simple leaf and compound leaf are the two main types of leaves. So there is another type we have given of the leaves, that is compound leaves. We can see in that leaf many small parts we can observe there, and such leaves are called compound leaves. Students, here I am showing the plant leaves to you, that the structure we can see here, what we have given in this picture. There they showed the leaf base. The leaf base we can see here. Then the stipule is not present in this plant, we cannot observe or see here. Then the petiole we can see here. Then this part is called leaf blade, and the mid vein you can see here. Then another vein that is increases from mid vein, and the leaf margin is there. See here, this is the leaf margin like this. This is the leaf margin and the leaf apex. In some leaves we can see that rounded, entire or dented margin. Here we can see the entire margin, and the dentate how it is. Here you can see that dentate margin. See here, it's not an entire margin. You can see dentate margin. It's not plain from outer side, like this dentate margin is there. and what they said, the two types of leaves, two types. So some plants only in their leaves we can see only a mid-vein and not the many small parts is present there. Only leaf blade is there, like this leaf blade is there, and that is not divided in many small parts. Here not, we cannot see many small parts, means this one is a simple leaves. This type of leaves are there, that is called simple leaves. But in these leaves we can see the mid-vein is there, and this leaf blade is divided into a many small leaflets is there. Small leaflets, and that is called this type of leaves called compound leaves. I hope you understand the leaf and its structure and the types of leaves. That is two main types of leaves, simple leaf and compound leaf is there.